you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's Ipsy Plus to show you guys. Do you want to know what I received? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my January Ipsy Plus just arrived. I know I do get the spoilers, so I kind of see what's in my box, but it's so much different when you get them in your hands and you can actually visually see the product. So I always get excited to actually see the products, even though my profile didn't make me happy, like thrilled and excited about this box. It just seemed like, meh. So hopefully it changes once I open it up. Hopefully they're better when I see it. But I am excited for a couple products that I did as an add-on. So there's that. Okay, so when you open it up, there we have it. And yes, there are my extra items. Okay, so in this month, I got the Huda Amethyst Obsessions, and I do have a few of these already. So now I wanted to purchase the Emerald and the Sapphire, and then this one I redeemed with points. I already have the Topaz, but I'm going to save this for a future giveaway. But if you want to know these were my extra items. So here's the first one. This is the Topaz, and then so you can see the colors. They're all like brown tones, which are very pretty. Neutral, fall, neutral. So there's that. Then the ones that I actually paid for, and I believe these were $12 each as an add-on. So I feel like $12, yeah, I want to get them because I already have, I think, 3. So now I should have 6 total different colors. So here is the Sapphire. And, ooh, okay. There's the colors inside. And then for the Emerald, there's the packaging. And ooh, those are pretty. Those are so pretty. I can't wait to use that. All right, so now for the one that actually came in this month's box, that is the Amethyst. And there's the outside packaging. See, this one has like fallout. This one has the whole the whole color fell out. I went to just kind of like do this little number over the trash can because there were like a lot of like fallout and the whole thing fell out. So that color was broken and now it's missing. So it's all crumbled into a million pieces, so I can't even show you. The color is right around the edges right there. That sucks. So I'll have to write them and hopefully they'll just replace that one because it was already broken. So item number 1 for my box is already broken, but that is valued at $27 for these palettes. So let's just keep on going. Let's see what all we have. Then the next item is this Skin Meditation Gel Cream. This is valued at $36. A lightweight soothing gel cream that keeps temperamental skin under control. This hyperallergenic soothing gel cream will give your skin peace. Meditate on how good it feels. Massage a small amount of the cream into freshly cleaned face and neck. Apply morning and night. For a midday skin meditation session, pat cream gently onto face. So that's what the actual product looks like. And it's just like a serum skin meditation gel cream. So it's like a clear gel. There's a little to no scent. I'm kind of picking up on a little hint of like a mint, but maybe not. So again, that is $36. Then we have is Pearlie's Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. And when I saw this on my profile, I thought it was gonna be like, you know, like the bigger sizes like my normal day cream, but maybe because it's an eye cream, it's smaller. But this says that it's $58 for this. For this size, it's $58. Holy moly. Holy moly. I don't even want to swatch it then if this little tiny thing is $58. Holy moly. Well, there it is. This better like turn my eyes different colors. I don't really smell a scent, but it says Blue Lotus is powerful antioxidants known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. French marine plants hydrate and brighten skin area. The ritual, apply day and night after cleansing. Use ring finger, just your ring finger, not your middle finger, not your first finger. Use your ring finger and lightly tap on serum to reduce tugging on delicate eye tissue. All right, so this little tiny thing, $58 though. I'm gonna have to go on Perlisa's site and double check that. But it does feel really nice. I can feel a huge difference from the first serum to that serum. So I'm excited to try it. Then we have is Sugar. This is a liquid eyeliner, and I don't use liquid eyeliner, so I will save this for a future giveaway, but this is valued at $11.99. Then we have is Nature's Cardle. And this says that this is $15, and it says here's the perfect pink. So this is probably gonna go in a future giveaway as well, because I don't really do pinks. It's not really a pink, it looks more of like a mauve. I'm not gonna touch it or swatch it though, because again, this is gonna go in a future giveaway. I have way too many lip products going on right now that I'd rather just save this for one of you guys. So again, this is valued at $15. I can get the damn thing back in the box. And then the last item is the bag for this month. And I think that's actually really pretty. I like the silver with the marble, and then it's all marble on the back. It does have a slight pink on the zipper, and it is a bright pink on the inside. And whoa, there's a little pull tab this time, or a pull strap that you can put around your wrist if you would like. So that's neat that they added this type of a touch to the zipper. So there's this month's bag, and I really like that. I really do like this bag. Normally I put them in giveaways, but this one I think I might hang on to because I like that. And this matches a lot of things coming out right now, like they're doing this little marble effect, so that is really pretty. So I will go ahead and total up my entire box and put what it is valued right here. I definitely am going to check on this because that seems like a whole lot. But just a quick recap, we got our bag. We have this little eye serum. We have this gel cream. I have a broken one shadow there is completely broken. And then we have the eyeliner and the lip product that will go to one of you guys. And then I have my extra goodies that I paid for and did an add-on. So that is everything that I got this month. If you would like to see what all of the different options were for the plus size, then here you go. And if you guys were curious to know what the Ultimate would have had as options, here you go. I did do the very first Ipsy Ultimate, and then after I got it, I was a little disappointed in the products that were inside, plus $50 for the Ultimate, $25 for the Plus, and two $12 glam bags. I spent $99 just on Ipsy that month alone, and it just to me was not worth it. So I instantly canceled my Ultimate, and I'm now kind of debating if I should cancel my Plus or not. I'm still thinking about that, because now that I have BoxyCharm, that one seemed like it was doing a lot better. I don't know what this month's gonna be on that one, but I'll have to figure it out. But as of right now, I still have just the Plus and the two Ipsy bags, but I'm kind of torn on what to do with that. So if you guys did get this and you got different items, let me know. Are we box twins? Let me know. All the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until the next one, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.